Are you a dinosaur yet? Subscribe to become one now.
Hello all dinosaurs, I'm Dan and today I'm super excited because we are actually unboxing a 2015 Ceratosaurus action figure right here. Besides that, we will take a look at my entire collection of 2015 Jurassic World action figures. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a look at this beautiful figure. From the front cover you can see the nice Jurassic World logo from 2015. This is an open box concept. It says growling action. Alright. 2 alkaline batteries included. See instructions below. And you can see some beautiful illustration of Rexy right here. You can actually move the tail over here to activate the jaw. If you flip the box over, you can actually see chomping jaws. Nice, beautiful. Alright, it's time to get this dinosaur out. Let's just cut the strings loose over here. Right, let's take this out. It seems like it doesn't contain any batteries inside, so let's open this up by using a little screwdriver to unscrew this little flap over here. Oh, it's actually inside, but I feel the batteries have corroded. Yeah, I think so. Alright. I don't think we can do anything about this anymore. Okay. It's fine. Maybe you can just replace the batteries. Maybe there are new batteries inside here, so we shall check it out. Yeah, I think we have to replace the batteries, but that's fine. Let me just tighten this back. So let's take a look at this beautiful Ceratosaurus, shall we? Alright. Let's do a comparison with the 2019 one as well. So as you guys can see, it is nicely detailed. You can move the tiny little arms. The jaw can be opened and closed. This portion right here is supposed to produce lights and sounds, I guess. And you can actually move the tail to move its jaw. The legs can't be moved sideways as what the 2019 and 2020 figures can. Alright, so if you take a look at this, it's looking really beautiful. I love it. So which one do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer the 2015 or do you guys prefer the 2019 Ceratosaurus? We have another Ceratosaurus. Okay, just give me 1 second. There's another Ceratosaurus right over here. This is the second wave. Are you guys able to hear the roars? Yeah. Ceratosaurus is known as the horned lizard because of this little horn right in front of his snout. Okay guys, so right now we have seen this Ceratosaurus. It's time for us to take a look at all our other 2015 figures. Let's get right into it. Okay, so next let's take a look at the T-Rex. So this comes with a button right here. Once you press it, you can actually move the jaw. Alright, you have seen this before, so I think it needs no introduction. So let's just place this right behind. And let's take a look at this Mosasaurus. I actually quite like this Mosasaurus. It comes with a battle damage wound right here. So you can actually tap it. But this little window, it feels really, you know, it's not smooth. And you can actually move the flippers right here. And the jaw will just move along as well. But all the joints and all the seams and all the movements, they're pretty stiff right now. And here's a hybrid version. I think this should still be working well. Oh my goodness. Even the sounds are not working anymore. Yeah, I think they all ran out of batteries. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, maybe we should just open them up, you know, and just replace the batteries at one go. Okay, it's time for us to take a look at this beautiful hybrid rampage Indominus Rex. Yep, I think this should still be working. Alright. Are you guys able to hear the roaring sounds? So what I like about this is that you can actually pump it up like this. You have to twist the arm multiple times, push it backwards, release it, and we just go into chomping action. It's super cool. Are you guys able to hear the sounds? It's super awesome. And once you press this button right here, the yellow spikes will actually spring right out from the center of its body, right in the middle. It's super awesome. And I love the golden feet. Yeah, so this is definitely my most favorite Hasbro Jurassic World action figure. It looks so cool. But it has some difficulty standing, so I'm just gonna place it laying down. Okay, lying down the ground. And let's take a look at its counterpart. This is actually a Indominus Rex, but as you guys can see, it is like wearing out. It's over 5 years old, I guess. Yep. But I have another one of this, so the other one is actually still looking pretty good. You can actually move its arm like this. The jaw will just go really wide. Alright, let's take a look at other figures. So this is the 2019 Ceratosaurus. We have a mini Indominus Rex right here. Okay, let's place this over here. Another Indominus Rex. Yes, I've plenty of Indominus Rex, and this is actually from the Gyrosphere playset. Yeah, it comes with a dino damage functionality. And if you push the tail backwards or downwards, the neck will move along with the jaw. Indominus Rex is a hybrid dinosaur. It has the DNA of a Velociraptor. It has the DNA of a T-Rex, or some other animals as well. So it's a very dangerous, intelligent, and ferocious dinosaur. Who is this? Are you guys able to tell me? Is this Charlie? I think so. Yeah. So this is one of the raptors, which also has some difficulty standing. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it lying down on the ground. Okay, with a mini T-Rex right here. Mini chomper T-Rex. You can actually twist the tail sideways. Alright, move it up and down. The neck will move up and down. Sideways, the jaw will open. Not a big fan of these screw holes right here, cause they look so obvious. Alright, let's take a look at other figures. And who is this? This is Blue. Yes, this is definitely Blue. Alright. It comes with an LED light for you to shine across his body to reveal some patterns. Yep, it's pretty cool. But once again, none of this are able to stand. So it's pretty disappointing. So I'm just gonna put it laying down on the floor. Let's take a look at this. I think this is considered a Velociraptor. It's not really one of the 4 raptors, but just a generic raptor. Alright, it looks pretty cool. Okay. let's try to stand this guy. Seems like it is not able to stand well. Let's just place it laying down on the floor. Okay, we have one more. Who's this? Is this Delta or is this Echo? I always get, the two of them mixed up. So if you guys know, let me know over on Instagram. I'm gonna post a thumbnail on Instagram. So do comment on it. Let me know which one is Delta and which one is Charlie, or there's actually a missing one right here. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's take a look at this. What is this? Dimorphodon. I actually like this quite a lot. It has a beautiful face, beautifully sculpted design, very nicely detailed. Love it. So once you press this, it is supposed to produce sounds, both legs together, and the wings will flap. Pretty nice. So what I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna purchase some batteries from the supermarket, and I am going to replace some of them. We have a glitter green mini chomper T-Rex. Just gonna place it right over here. We have a hybrid version of the mini Indominus Rex. It comes with armor. You can actually remove this as well. Yep. It looks really weird to me, but in a way it is cool. And our last figure of the day, a Velociraptor, blue. Alright, so basically these are the dinosaurs that I've shown you today. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow Sunday, I will be doing a review on the Nanmu Studio Spinosaurus. So stay tuned for that, and of course I will show you my entire collection of Nanmu Studio dinosaurs as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys really soon in the next video, which is tomorrow. So stay safe, stay at home. I hope every one of you are staying at home, staying safe, and we hope that this difficult time will pass really soon. So stay safe, stay at home, just watch our videos, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video, which is tomorrow. So come back tomorrow for the Nanmu Studio review of the Spinosaurus. Okay, goodbye.